Hey, we're kind of on a busy road here in Macau. Got Donor Istanbul right there. Got a lot of different restaurants. Just kind of see what's all on the street. It's Sunday night, it's about 8 o'clock. Got some all kinds of different things here. 88 restaurant, which is closed at the moment. Bus stop. And right there, these giant apartment buildings are pretty massive as well. And what we're going to be doing is just strolling along and kind of seeing what's going on Sunday night at 8 o'clock. We're going to go straight up that way. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Actually, we're going to do something a little bit more. We're going to walk all the way to the Cotai Strip. So we're basically in this area, and the Cotai Strip is directly that way, directly that direction. We got all these kind of tall buildings in this little space. And I think what I want to do is just go around the block real quick, just kind of show you what exactly is around here. And at nighttime you get a different idea. That's bus stop right here. There's 4 buses that come to this spot. And we have this little alley. We're just going to go down this alley. And this alley goes into this other street. So this goes into Taipa village, and the other one goes into, they kind of both go around this park area. And there's a park where the Taipa village is at. But this one right here, Taipa, let's just kind of go, we'll just kind of show you some of the stores and things like that around here. You see, there's some restaurants in this space. They're kind of, these are two together owned, and they're like nice and hot and spicy. They get like little skewers like this. Prices are really good too. Let's see what else is here. This one called Spicy Attic. A lot of chairs. I guess these chairs are for going outside, I guess, so maybe they can come out here a little bit later, I think. But I don't know if I recall seeing them like that. Cozinha Portuguese restaurant. This one is like Japanese. No, it's Sichuan. Oh, this one also has these really, oh, that looks like that would be really tasty. Sichuan food right there. Spicy. So I got all these hot peppers as well. Looks good. Yeah, it looks like Sichuan. And here's a Japanese one here. So some nice restaurants in this area. Then we could go back up to our street up this way. So this one goes right up to that street that we were just at. You got a nice little bench right there too. But I think what I want to do is just kind of go around this way and just kind of show you this main space up here. It's kind of nice. Hello. So some good restaurants in this area, and then we're gonna walk this way a little bit and go around like that. So just kind of see. This one is kind of cool because it has these kind of spicy things like that. I think these two have the spicy one, and so does that one, and that one too, where the woman is at as well. That's where we just came down that way, but what we're gonna do now is kind of go around the block. You see this? Not bad for an apartment. Okay. So down this way is like Taipa proper, I guess you'd call it. I guess kind of forgot to show you some of these other ones. So I guess we got a little bubble tea place right there. Oh hey. Just walking around and filming. Okay, we're gonna keep on going down. So we were just coming down this way. We're gonna go around a little circle in a second. We're gonna go down this way. This is where we're at in general, and we have a little circle thing right here with a hotel right there. So we're getting a little bit of a tour of Taipa at nighttime. Another nice restaurant right here. Taipa has a lot of good restaurants here. Some bars too, so there's a kind of a mix of things that are available in this area. Okay, so we're back up on our main road right here. So maybe let's just kind of run across. We can go to the other side of the street. That's the hotel right there. So we're gonna go down the other side of the street, and then we're gonna show you how it leads into the Cotai Strip. Okay, so we're gonna come around this way. So yeah, let me just see here. Healthy salads and poke. What's poke? Poke is like a Hawaii. Let's just see what that is. Haven't really seen that before. This is Hawaii. I thought that was maybe poke. I don't want to go in, but poke is like a Hawaiian. It's like a Hawaiian food, so I didn't know there was a little fast food or a delivery just doing Istanbul across the street. So we were able to view that a few minutes ago. Oh, this is another sushi one. So I think this one is actually a pretty famous one. But I think it doesn't have a restaurant part. But yeah, I think that one is that one might be part of this. There's Sichuan food over there and here. This might be the takeout part. I got a Thai one too. So this one is kind of a Thai. It's all written in Thai right there. So here's the bus. Salon. Used to do nails there. Okay, so here is the bus to Kolawan. It's a nice visual right there, like that. Okay. And then we got another restaurant there. And then here's a supermarket. Greenville supermarket. I do think they call this Greenville. I'm not sure exactly why. Huh. We have some interesting things in here though. Haven't really been in there before. Okay. And then you can see these apartment buildings right here. And then when you go up this way, it goes all the way to Cotai Strip. So you can actually walk there from here. There's a lot of different ways to go, but this one is a little bamboo shelter thing that goes all the way down. So maybe we'll just follow it just a little bit. And you can kind of see, you know, this kind of protects it from the top. And there's also like a glass kind of ceiling kind of thing. Then once we get up there a little bit, you'll see the casino, and then we'll probably end up stopping at that time. Let me just turn around a little bit, and you can see that's where we came from. And then now you can see Venetian Casino. So that's the Venetian Casino right there. And I think we're going to be ending this one shortly. I've walked it other times at nighttime, so I think it's good enough. But you can definitely see that we're not too far from the Cotai Strip though. Now you can see more of the Cotai Strip here. So there's Venetian, Londoner, and so we'll end it there, but at least you can kind of see there's also a little thing that goes up into this mountains over here, which you cannot see at nighttime very well, but there's this whole station is built to go up into the mountains and overlook the whole view. But it'll be closed at nighttime though. And then there's the Cotai Strip right there. You see Venetian. And there's the outdoor escalator that goes up, get up to the mountain, to overlook it all. So okay. And we're still walking down our little thing to get to the Cotai Strip. So yep, here we are. Let me just look over here real quick. So I want to show you Taipa. There's a big area where all the residents live, and you can see it right here. And actually, we just did another street where we went up this one right here. So but that was a separate video where we came down this way. I might put it in both videos, so if you see it in the other video, that's why. So basically, this one right here is all of Taipa. There's all these tall buildings everywhere, and you can walk between these residential areas to the Cotai Strip. Doesn't take very long at all. And right here is this giant ecological park. There's like Taipa houses, those little things lit up over there. This right here is an incline, so you can go up on that hill and overlook everything as well. It's really beautiful, especially with the sunsets or sunrise too. There's the galaxy. Galaxy keeps expanding more and more all the time. And we're gonna walk down this way and kind of show you.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things: like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. All right.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.